Welcome back to Spectrum News, everybody. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr. Another check of that forecast. If you've been thinking that June has been on the warm side, well, you're not wrong. Yeah, we've averaged a temperature in Bowling Green officially of 77.1. You know, when you look through the record books, we're on pace for about the 25th warmest June on record, which is on the warmer side. Now, a couple of days are still left, so this number could fluctuate a little bit, but overall, June looks to end on the warm side of the history books, and it's going to be warm as we wrap up the rest of the month. And there is some good news. As we enter July on Monday, we could have a nice, comfortable day before that heat and humidity comes right back as we get into the middle part of the week toward the upcoming holiday weekend. And there's also some confidence even beyond that, 6 to 10 days out across much of the tri-state here of above average temperatures, and 8 to 14 days out. Now we're into the second week of July. Also looks to be on the warm side, where confidence is even greater during that period of above average temperatures. So despite that very brief cool down to start the month of July, it looks warm overall. Now, taking you through into the afternoon and the evening, we're in great shape. We will see warm temperatures and increasing humidity values, but overall, I think most of us should be dry. There's a very outside chance of a stray sprinkle because of that increase in humidity, the increase in cloud cover, but I think for the most part, 99.9% of us will remain on the dry side. You see those increasing clouds through the afternoon, and then as we get into our Saturday morning, here comes the chances for some of those showers. Better chances the closer that front makes it second half of the day on Saturday. So a hot and humid day today. We started out nice and comfortable, but that humidity increasing as we go through our Saturday. Temperatures overall into the 90s. Heat indices by this afternoon and this evening, upper 90s to right around 100 degrees. Because of the clouds and the southerly flow by tonight, it will keep things extremely mild and muggy. Terrible sleeping night if you don't have air conditioning, unfortunately. And then you look at the extended forecast. Really not a bad day on Sunday with a couple of leftover showers. And then that will wrap up. Humidity will crash on Sunday, and we're looking at a very comfortable Monday. And then that heat comes right back Tuesday and Wednesday. And as that heat and humidity increases, it increases as well our chances for showers and storms on Wednesday, as well as the 4th of July on Thursday.